Your parents never told you about factory robots going rogue. Today, we explore a chilling, real-life robot mishap. This incident profoundly impacted one technician's life and our understanding. It forever changed how we view industrial automation safety. The year was 2015. In a Volkswagen plant, Germany, a KUKA industrial robot, usually precise, made a fatal error. This wasn't a movie scene, but a tragic workplace accident. Automation promises efficiency, yet sometimes delivers unexpected dangers. We dive into the murder that wasn't, but still shocked. This story reveals critical lessons about human-machine collaboration. The incident occurred during installation of the robotic arm. A 22-year-old contractor, working inside the safety cage, was present. He was part of the installation team, preparing the robot. Suddenly, the KUKA robot arm moved unexpectedly, pinning him. The robot crushed him against a metal plate, causing fatal injuries. Emergency services responded quickly, but tragically, he succumbed. This specific robot was a KUKA LBR Iwa, designed for collaboration. Ironically, it was supposed to work safely alongside humans. Initial news reports sensationalized it as a robot murder case. However, investigators quickly clarified the actual circumstances. The robot was not malfunctioning in the usual sense. It was operating within its programmed parameters, albeit incorrectly. The technician was inside the safety cage, a restricted area. Standard safety protocols clearly prohibit entering active zones. Another worker, outside the cage, was unharmed during the incident. This indicated the robot's perimeter safety systems functioned. The investigation concluded human error caused this devastating accident. The technician was reportedly in the wrong place at the wrong time. His presence violated established safety guidelines for the area. This tragic event sparked global discussions on automation safety. It highlighted the critical need for strict industrial robot protocols. Companies reevaluated their training programs for robotic systems. The incident forced a rethink on human-robot interaction designs. Safety standards like ISO 10218 gained renewed importance. Manufacturers began integrating more advanced sensing technologies. Collaborative robots, cobots, now feature enhanced safety features. They use force sensing technology to prevent such collisions. The impact was a wake-up call for the entire industry. It proved automation's dangers are very real, not just sci-fi. This single event pushed for safer, more robust robot systems. We must balance incredible efficiency with absolute human safety. The KUKA incident underscores our responsibility in automation's rise. It reminds us that every technological leap carries risks. We need to learn from these mishaps to build a safer future. Subscribe for more in-depth explorations of tech's wild side.